You may have seen the headlines or the post. Africa just launched its own internet and Google should be terrified. It sounds big. It sounds like digital independence. But is it true? Let's break it down. Here's the reality. Africa's internet is growing fast. The continent now has its own top-level domain, .Africa, and dozens of new internet exchange points are helping local traffic stay local. That means less bouncing through Europe and faster connections at home. And yes, huge submarine cables like Google's Equiano and Meta's 2Africa project are physically linking African countries like never before. But, and this is the key, there is no separate African internet. There isn't a switch that was flipped to cut Africa off from Google, Microsoft, or the global web. Instead, most of the new infrastructure is still being built with big tech companies, not against them. So when you hear Africa launched its own internet, what's really happening is Africa is taking steps to strengthen local control by building more data centers, creating regional networks, and pushing back against what some call digital colonialism. That's progress, but it's still not the same as launching an independent, self-contained internet. So is Google terrified? Not exactly. In fact, Google is investing billions in African cables and cloud centers. The truth is, Africa's digital independence is a long-term project, and it won't come from one dramatic launch. It will come step by step as Africans build, own, and control more of the infrastructure themselves. So the next time you see the viral headline, remember, it's a mix of hope, hype, and just a little bit of fact. That's your fact check.